Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I'd like to show you as the newsroom user what happens when you get an automatic update of the MOS plugin from your XPression workflow. I'm working in the iNews newsroom system, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the XPression MOS plugin. So I'm going Tools, Plugins, XPression MOS Editor, and it will launch the XPression plugin within my newsroom system. I'm also going to get this pop-up dialog. What this basically means is the rest of the XPression workflow has upgraded the software versions that your engineering team has put on the playout engines and servers and everything else. The last piece that needs to be updated is the plugin on your newsroom system. So you're going to see this dialog, and maybe you're too busy right now to continue working. You're a newsroom administrator or your engineering staff will probably tell you that you have to upgrade it, but you might ask, hey, can I wait because I'm kind of busy? If they say it's okay, all you do is click OK. Then it brings up the dialog to do the installation. Instead of clicking Update, click Cancel. And it's going to ask you if you're sure. Say yes. Then you can go ahead and you can continue to build graphics and drag them into your story. Now, let's say that you do have time, and again, this only takes about 20 seconds. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open up my plugin again. Once it launches, I'm going to get that same dialog box again. It's going to tell me the XPression plugin needs to be updated to version 6.5, and 3589 is the build I'm currently working with. So I'm going to click OK, and the dialog box that comes up that I clicked cancel on before says, please close the client application and click update when ready. What they're basically telling me is to close the MOS newsroom client. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close iNews. I'm going to click update, and you can see it's completed the update. Now if I go back and I launch iNews again, you'll see that it comes up quickly. It'll run. Now it's going to launch on my second screen. I'll drag it back over here just 1 second so that you can see it. And that's literally all the time that it took to upgrade my newsroom client so that I could continue to work. And again, it's on a second monitor here. I just will bring it back over, and there it is, and I'm ready to go. So it literally takes about 20 seconds for you to go ahead and update your newsroom client and update your XPression plugin, I should say, when you're working in your newsroom systems.